Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So we have a ton of green tomatoes because the garden froze, and I went out there and picked everything that I could after work, and I got a bunch of green tomatoes. So what I'm going to do with it is I looked up a recipe online just to see what I could do with it, and I found this recipe called Enchilada Verde Sauce. And what we got to do is we have to half all of these green tomatoes, and we're going to roast them. And we're going to roast them with peppers and onions and all kind of good stuff. So let's get started on having all of these tomatoes. And I'm going to put them in a big Tupperware thing so that I can roast them a little at a time after work, because by the time I get home and do all my chores and everything, I only have maybe an hour or so to do this kind of stuff. So let's get started. So to do this, I'm just going to show you one. I'm just going to take the top off of it. I'm going to take off any blemishes that it has. And then I'll just cut it in half. And I'll put it in my bowl. And I'll just keep doing that. Hopefully it won't take very long to get all this done. It's a shame all of these paste tomatoes are still green. We only needed maybe another few weeks and they would have all been red. But I'm even going to use ones like this. It's not totally red or ripe. Alrighty, I'll be back for the next step. Alright, I'm halving this recipe and I'm going to do 2 poblano and 2 Anaheim. I hope I'm saying these right. I am not Mexican, so forgive me if I'm saying this wrong. I'm going to cut these up because they're going to go in with our green tomatoes. Okay, this recipe says to work in small batches. Just throw that in there. Because it's all going to get chopped up in the end in one big pot. I'm going to have several batches of this, so alright, so that's one batch. Waiting for the oven to get ready. We're going to broil this until everything is brown. So my last 2 batches are out. That only took, what, about 4 hours. So I'm going to wait on these to cool down. I'm going to put them in the pot with the rest. These have all cooled. So tomorrow I will put them in the food processor and process them down, heat them up, and then I'll can them so we can have this for enchiladas later. Alright, good morning everybody. So I'm going to start these roasted green tomatoes in here, and we're just going to mix this up really good. So I'm going to work this in smaller batches, and then I'm just going to pour it in here. And then after I finish all these tomatoes, then we will add the rest of the ingredients. Alrighty, it's all pureed, and now we're going to put in the rest of the ingredients. We're going to do we're going to do 1, because we're cutting this recipe. 1 1/4 cup white vinegar. 1 1/2 tablespoons canning salt. Do 1 1/2 tablespoons of oregano and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Then we're going to heat this up. Since this is cold, I'm going to put it on low until it heats up, and then I'll turn it up and we'll cook it for 45 minutes. Alright, I've been cooking this down for about 45 minutes now, and I've got my jars in the water bath canner heating up, and when they're ready, then I'll just start filling them. And then we're gonna let it go for 25 minutes in the water bath. I'm doing pints. That's enough for me and Joe. So I'll show you what I do to fill them when I come back. Just go up to the bottom of the funnel. And then take my little bubble getter outer thing. And then move on to the next one. Once I get them all filled, I'll come back. Alright, and put the lids on. And then the bands. Finger tight. Then we're going to put them into the water bath canner. So I'm going to do 8, and we'll do the last 5 after this. Oh, it's going to need some more water. And then we'll go 25 minutes. We're at a rolling boil, so we are going to let it go for 25 minutes. 30 minutes for quarts. Alrighty, y'all, I got them out of the canner. We have 14 pints. That was about 15 pounds of tomatoes, of green tomatoes. So this is green tomato verde enchilada sauce. When I make some enchiladas, then we'll use this and see how it tastes. I've tasted it, and it's very, very good. It smelled the kitchen up so good. But If you've made this before, let me know. I've never made it. I just had a bunch of green tomatoes and decided to look for a recipe, and this is what I came up with. So please like, share, and subscribe. And again, if you've made this, let me know. Thanks for watching.